your question there, hey, and thanks for that around pricing. Look, that's a great question. And your pricing for your chatbot could start from anything as low as $59, $60 a month through to $10,000. It really comes down to, once again, I encourage, you need to be looking at what's the overarching strategy here. Look, unfortunately, everything in marketing is going to have a price attached to it. Yes, there are opportunities there, for example, where you can use some software tools at no charge. However, there's still always going to be an element there. So I do recommend that you first and foremost review, do I actually need a chatbot in my business now? Or is it something that I should be building to in the next 6 months? That's number one. Number two, I would actually be looking at, when you're talking about your pricing or your budgeting, something I always encourage businesses when they're looking at marketing, and that is your marketing budget is between 2.5% to 7.5% of your projected turnover. So if your projected turnover, not revenue, turnover is $1 million, then you need to be looking between 2.5% to 7.5% as your potential investment in your marketing to obtain that turnover. So once again, be looking at your overarching strategy and then be looking at what your potential budget investment is going to be inside marketing. And then you break down and go, what's that marketing going to be? Okay. So that would be my recommendation there.